Recovering from back pain, an injury, or a flare up, it's not just about rest and ice. There are certain nutrients and supplements that could actually help your body repair faster and get out of pain. So let's talk about some of the best options out there right now. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and let's start with proteolytic enzymes. These are natural compounds your body uses to break down proteins. When you're injured, tiny protein fragments from damaged tissue and inflammation float around in your system. They can trigger swelling, pain, and stiffness. So proteolytic enzymes, they include things like bromelain from pineapple or papain from papaya. And they can also be in supplement form as well. And what these do is they help clean those tiny protein fragments up. They basically clear out the debris so your body can focus on real repair. That means less swelling, less discomfort, and faster repair and recovery. Unlike over-the-counter pain relievers, these proteolytic enzymes don't just cover up the pain, they actually help your body regenerate and repair. Now let's widen the lens a little bit. Injuries and flare-ups put a lot of stress on your joints, muscles, connective tissues, ligaments, tendons. So that's why glucosamine is such a common supplement for recovery. It gives your body the raw materials it needs to repair cartilage, which is the cushion in your joints. So if you've got joint or back pain, especially with a flare up or after an injury, glucosamine can support smoother movement and reduce that grinding, achy feeling. Another natural helper is ginger. Most people think of it as a spice for cooking, but it's loaded with compounds that directly block chronic inflammation. Adding ginger to your daily routine can help reduce swelling and help manage pain, all while being gentle on your stomach compared to constant pain medications. Then there's MSM, which is short for methyl sulfonyl methane. It sounds complicated, but just remember MSM. And its role is pretty simple. It supports connective tissue repair and helps you stay flexible. So with injuries, they often stiffen you up, and MSM works to ease that stiffness so you can stay active without flaring things up even more. Now we have essential fatty acids like omega-3s from fish oil or flaxseed. These are also a game changer. They help regulate your body's inflammation response. That means less chronic swelling and a better environment for your tissues to heal. Think of omega-3s as the oil that keeps your recovery engine running smoothly. So here I'm going to bring it all together with an example. Now, it's a supplement I often highlight for acute flare-ups and back pain, and it's called Optimal Acute. What makes it effective is that it combines proteolytic enzymes with minerals and antioxidants. The enzymes actively clear out injury-related proteins, and at the same time, nutrients like copper, zinc, and manganese help stabilize and repair the cells. This combination reduces swelling, supports faster healing, and does it without the side effects of drugs like over the counter medications, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, Tylenol, aspirin. The big picture is this: recovery doesn't just depend on waiting it out. The right supplements can support your body's natural healing process, reduce unnecessary and prolonged inflammation, and help you get back on your feet faster. So, whether it's proteolytic enzymes, glucosamine, ginger, MSM, omega 3s, or a comprehensive blend like in Optimal Acute, these tools give your body what it actually needs when it's trying to repair and recover. And when your body has the right support, healing becomes a whole lot easier and helps you be your own guarantee for your health and your life.